Hello and welcome. If you're new to the channel,
I'm Nikki.
and I'm Mark.
And together with our van Chloe and our two dogs Sid and Ivy, we've started van life. Please join us on our journey as we're making memories 1 kilometre at a time. Hit that like button, comment and subscribe. Also, we plan to put out a video at least 1 or 2 a week, so hit that notification bell to find out what we're up to. Coming up in this episode,
we will share with you the reason why Norway, it stole our hearts.
From magnificent fortresses
To our first fjord reaction.
to incredible waterfalls,
Some breathtaking landscapes.
mountains and even snow in June.
We share some secret overnight rest areas.
And roads that wowed us around every corner.
Join us for our Norwegian must-visit places as we made memories
1 kilometre at a time. This was our introduction to Norway, and what a special place to start our Norwegian journey.
We stumbled across the 17th century star-shaped fortress quite by chance, not realising the incredible historic value of this well-preserved fortress that stands tall, protecting the city of Halden below.
It has seen so many conflicts and battles in its history, but now it's a place to sample coffee and snacks and enjoy music festivals and art exhibitions. And to take in the wonderful space and views.
We highly recommend a stop off here. We loved our few hours spent having fun, but also appreciating its incredible history.
Love it.
from this angle you can kind of get an idea of just the sheer size of this lock. I'm not sure you can hear me, but the pressure of that water coming through that lock gate is crazy. I literally would be petrified right now. It's hard work, and you've got to know what you're doing. It's a beautiful boat.
If I'm interested, you will see.
Sid is absolutely fascinated by it. They're now opening the gates, and the boats will merrily come through. I am fascinated. So the first one goes through. A lovely boat. I wonder if they want to swap it for Chloe. No, we wouldn't swap her.
Crystal clear, that water.
That water is amazing. Considering how churned up that is coming through those locks. Yeah, I wonder if you have to pay. Probably. Wonderful. Really glad we stopped, babe.
Yeah, 10 on the way.
Yeah.
We have something to show you. It just gets better and better and better. But yeah, we're just driving around this massive fjord, and there's so many places, but it's difficult to stop. And the view is just incredible. Now this,
Ready?
look. Look.
It's a view. It's certainly a view.
Look.
It's a view.
Listen.
So we finally found a place. It's literally on the side of a road, which is fine. We have some German neighbours. But this is the view from across the road. Beautiful, beautiful view. From snowy mountains to beautiful waterfalls to stunning fjords.
What a picture to wake up to one morning.
I think someone's getting quite emotional.
Yeah, I know, but
It's just... we keep saying it. Around each corner.
You can't put it on camera just, oh, unbelievable this place is. Stupid woman.
Right.
You can't take it all in, can you? It's so overwhelming. And now with like the reflection of the mountains in the water.
Come on, get a grip. You've got better things to see than this, believe it or not.
Get a grip, woman. Oh, an emotional wreck.
Blame Norway.
What have you done to me? So this is Lemonsjøen Waterfall. I can't stay too long in case the camera gets wet because there's a lot of spray. Just beautiful.
Vøringsfossen is one of Norway's most visited and famous waterfalls. The total fall is 182 metres with a vertical drop of 145 metres. Vøringsfossen is clearly visible from the road that runs between Fjord by the Hardanger Fjord and Hardangervidda National Park.
Amazing piece of engineering and construction. There's the bridge. So we're just walking over the bridge. The view is incredible. The low cloud, the mist. Onwards and upwards. Just incredible. If I look down, whoa. Absolutely stunning. You go up. What a beautiful view. Even though it's cold and misty, it's just one incredible place. And I'll show you the bridge that we just walked over. Wow. Just incredible.
We've managed to find a space. We're now up on top of the mountains, and we're at a place called Vøringsfossen. So whilst everyone is dipping their toes in the sand and then getting into the sea, we have snow. Oh God. Are you happy now that you've got your snow? Ugh, I wouldn't eat it. Ugh. Are you happy now?
Yep.
Excellent. Ugh. So I don't think the dogs have ever seen, oops! Dogs have ever seen snow in June. I've actually got sandals on, hence why Mark is walking them. Oh God, no, it's actually quite deep. I'm not going in there with sandals on. Come on then. Come on then.
I should ride.
You wouldn't believe actually how warm it is, and also how incredibly bright it is. Come on then.
Come on in.
What is it?
Oh, it's quite deep in places. It's not even icy. It's proper snow.
Ooh, you can have a drink, Sid. That'd be a nice drink. I know. That's why I said I've got sandals on. There's not a chance I'm going to get in there.
Over.
There's a bus, but you're okay. You'll have to wait. He's waiting. He's waiting. He's waiting. You're okay. You're okay. Yeah, you're clear. Doing a fantastic job. We are higher than a mountain.
There's a song in there, isn't there? Higher than the mountain, what was it?
I don't know.
River deep, mountain high, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Do I love you? Why, why, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh, I can see a flag.
Because we're there, nearly there. Go on, nearly there. Woo! Let's hope we haven't got to go back down there.
That's the
I
road
think
that
we were
turned
good.
around
Yeah, I
on.
think it is. So that's going to take us down there, down to the fjord.
ship.
Okay. Well, that looks quite a road as well then. We're literally on top of the world.
Top of the world.
So we're almost down the bottom of the mountain now. These were the cruise ships that we could see from at the very, very top. We're going to spin around, and it's way, way over there in the distance is the viewpoint. So yeah. So you should just be able to see Chloe's roof. This is our park up for the night, which is pretty spectacular. I mean, by anybody's stretch of the imagination. This is pretty spectacular. Mark and the dogs are over there. Yeah, I didn't realise how big this country was. It's huge. And we've not even scratched the surface, really. In terms of nature and scenery, I don't know if you're going to better this anywhere in the world. What is this, Sid? Pretty darn amazing, isn't it? So it's pretty darn amazing. Pretty darn amazing. It's a bit windy up here, but it's still amazing. You can always tell how windy it is because Sid and Ivy's ears go like buggles, or no, biggles. Buggles, it's buggles.
It's just...
It is magnificent, isn't it?
And these two love it.
They do love it, actually. Our first Norwegian wildlife, well, not really wildlife, they're bloody sheep. And oh, they seem quite friendly. Ivy's not entirely sure what to do with them. Ivy doesn't know what they are. Hello, little lambs. She's quite a big girl. If she butts me, it's going to hurt. Just so you know. And another wow place. Norway, what are you doing to us? We just spotted this as we were just driving by. We've seen some clear water in Southeast Asia, but I'm not sure it comes close to this. We are so incredibly lucky to witness something like this. Super stunning again.
we keep threatening to stop at these churches. They are so stunningly beautiful. Just in the middle of nowhere. On the side of a lake. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful lupins. We're just about to go in the tunnel of the Oslo Fjord. It's a 7-kilometre tunnel.
What's going downhill?
Well, we're going to go under the fjord level. We'll go under the water of where we stayed last night. Well, that was an experience. Yeah, 7 kilometres, and you go downhill quite a lot. Like, it is quite a steep hill going down and obviously coming back up as well. So, yeah, ears popped. Quite an engineering feat that was. Now it's starting to get dramatic. And then we've got a tunnel as well. It's going through this. Wow. Jeez. That's definitely carved out of the rock, isn't it? Huh? Oh yeah, I know, you can see. Wow, that is some kind of work involved there, isn't it? Gosh. Oh, here we go. Right, there's a bend, love, in a minute, as you can see. So just like slow up a little bit, eh? Big crazy man now. What have we got? Oh, we got a bit of sunlight. Oh, I bet you're glad you didn't meet that one in there.
Wow, look at this.
This is a roundabout in a bridge.
Am I going?
No, it said no. Second exit, darling. It said second exit.
Oh, my map's lost then.
Eh? It says second exit. That's the first exit.
13.70 for 33 kilometres.
It says second exit, darling.
Yeah, but this is lost itself in the tunnel.
Okay. Well, before it lost itself, it said.
Right.
Okay.
Well, that's weird.
We've never been in a tunnel with a roundabout before, have we?
No.
It said 2 minutes for this one, otherwise we have to wait, but I mean, that's not too much of an issue.
Look at this, straight on.
Oh, where are we going? Yep, in that lane.
Take the ferry.
I'm going to take the ferry.
Look at this.
It's ridiculous. We waited 2 minutes yesterday before we got one, and now we've driven straight onto this one as well.
Well, that's the end of our reminiscing about Norway. Thank you so much for joining us. We hope you enjoyed it. Let us know what your favourite bits were. Give us a like, and if you've not already, please subscribe. Norway, thank you so much for sharing with us such wonderful memories. We hope that we'll be welcome back sometime. Thank you.